never seen the show Monsters Inside Me?
I think I'll pass on that X-ray though, but.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm
I
sorry, Your Honor.
rest
I'm sorry.
your
I'm sorry.
witness.
I'm peeing.
Let's see what you have to
I'm
say.
peeing
man.
my pants.
And now he's peeing.
my
He's
pants.
peeing. And
peeing.
if it, just so you know, we may have to take a moment for him to change his poop bag. If you start to
Yes.
smell something up there, Your Honor.
Yes. I farted.
Yeah, security. Can you help him out? Maybe take him to the restroom.
He doesn't
Am I
have to go to the
done up here?
restroom. He just poops in a poop bag.
I poop in a poop bag, Your Honor.
Do you want to
I'm
throw
done.
the bag out or?
No, I'm done. I'll take it with me. Nothing like being a little T-Rex with no legs.
Mac, we can't hear
no
you, hon.
extended arm.
Still can't hear you.
Can't hear you. Might as well give me my money.
There we go. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. I have a report right here that this man right here, Eagle Eye Eric, was born with disabilities. He was born without legs, and now he's trying to put it on my client when this man was born and raised without
Falsified
legs.
information.
And the fact that he's saying that he had an incision all the way down his chest, I also have another report that says that he had a chest incision, a chest surgery a few years before that. So if they're saying that they have x-rays and stuff, that could have been by the previous surgeon. I have evidence right here.
You're wrong.
Your Honor, permission to reapproach my client.
Yep. Go ahead.
Do you recognize this photo of you from 2002?
Oh, yes, I do.
As this is you playing catch with your parents?
Yes, it is.
With both of your legs?
Yes, it's got both of my legs in that photo. That's me right there.
Prosthetic
And
legs, Your Honor.
do you recognize this photo of you coming out of your mother's vagina?
Oh, I do. I recognize that one.
Feet first?
Yes. Feet
Oh,
first.
that's why
I
he's
can't-
so fucked up.
That is me.
You know, feet first. That's why he's got.
Is there something?
That's why he's all.
Your Honor, I'd like to take notice of something on the left foot. A very noticeable and large, kind of bulbous, weird birthmark. It's kind of spongy looking. But that birthmark, very noticeable. If you will look at the Peruvian oligarch's dog's left foot, you'll notice has the same bulbous birthmark, proving
Objection, Your Honor.
that it's the same
My client is allergic
leg.
to dogs. I'd like to point that out again. My
Yeah, because he
client
fed
is
my
allergic
legs
to
to
dogs.
the dogs. He fed my legs to the dogs. Dr. Shane, you know exactly what you did
Now,
whenever you did this. You know it.
I also have a
Your Honor,
receipt
can you
from
have
the
him
Rite
stop touching my
Aid in
client, please?
Tijuana for Allegra and Claritin on the day that he landed, and 2 packets of Benadryl. Why would your client be taking all of that allergy medication on the day that he
Because-
removed my client's legs?
He
She's
did not
allergic
take
to
all of that
dogs.
Benadryl on that day. He has severe allergies, and that he
Uh-huh.
needed
I'm
to
allergic
take
to
some.
Benadryl, by the way.
Oh, no, you weren't, because she just said you took it.
Doesn't matter, but anyway, I think this is gonna be going on for a while. I think.
Okay, so we can
Oh,
cross-examine. We can ask the doctor some questions now. If you want to.
May I ask
Yeah.
him a couple questions, sir? May I
yeah,
ask him a
go-
couple questions, sir?
You have to be at your microphone.
No, I would
You have
like
to-
to ask these questions to you straight, sir.
Well, you can't ask it straight. I'm kind of crippled.
As you were from birth, correct?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Your Honor, he just said that he was disabled since he was little.
No, you didn't.
We
You
have
didn't
that on
say
record. We have that on
No,
record.
you didn't say disabled. You
I
said,
said-
you said I've been here since
You
birth.
No, I said you said that you didn't have legs. I said
Your Honor, I'd
since
like
birth, right?
her
And
to
you said
readdress the question. I cannot hear her if she's not at her
Clear-
microphone.
Can you repeat yourself?
Oh
Alright.
shit. My headset is about to die. I gotta go. I'm sorry.
All right.
I'll represent myself.
Yeah, represent yourself there, Dr. Shane, like you did in Tijuana.
Dr. Butcher.
So, with Mr. Eagle up there, whenever he came down to Tijuana to have the surgery done, I took it upon myself to further examine his legs, that he had blood clots in both of his legs. So I decided to take his legs off to save
Without
his
my
life
permission.
so he would not die. And then also, whenever I further looked at his scar, whenever he first came into my office, that he did have whenever he first came in, I also took it upon myself to see that he had colon cancer. So that's why I ended up giving him a colostomy. I can't say whatever the word is because I'm from Tijuana. So I took it upon myself to save this man.
And
I
you're brothel.
prescribed him Tijuana, whatever. I prescribed him medicine that was over-the-counter prescription that he did not take. So it is his fault why he feels like the way he does. And whenever I went to text him to see how he was doing, he said he ended up back into the hospital previously because he was partying 3 days after he left Tijuana because he has a massive drug and alcohol addiction. The reason why he was down there in the first place, and he said that he needed he was gonna sue me because
Objection, Your Honor. He's testifying. He's not allowed to do
Yeah.
that.
What? Get up
Yeah,
here
why
if
you
you're going to
gonna
do that.
testify here? Yeah.
Yeah. Get
You
in the
can't
witness
speak for
stand.
me.
I'll question you. You can't just sit out there and testify. You have to
I may
actually
be
ask him a
excused.
question.
Your Honor, maybe excused.
Yep.
Take the stand, Dr.
Security.
Shep.
Make sure you get the wheelchair.
Somebody wheel him out. Oh, that's nice. All right.
Butcher. He's a butcher.
All right. Swear him. All right.
Mhm.
You're sworn in.
Butcher.
All right. So we have the email chain of you inviting him,
Oh my
asking him to join you in Tijuana. Your operating room was in a brothel. Is this correct?
that is not correct.
Oh, whatever. Oh, my God.
It's
I'm
been
gonna
submitted
throw
into
up.
evidence, and your lawyer didn't object.
You've
My
been under
lawyer
oath,
was
Shane.
incompetent,
Can't lie.
and she could not do her job. That's why she left, and I fired her.
Well, it's already submitted into the court record, so
Sarah,
and the
I'm sorry, I'm
jury's heard
pooping
it
again.
as evidence. So
Pooping again.
you're going to try and claim that you saw blood clots, and that's why you removed his legs.
Yes.
Why didn't you wake him up from the anesthesia and tell him about the severity of the condition?
Because
Tell
whenever
him
you're
that
underneath, sorry, whenever
gonna
you're
fix my
underneath
arm.
anesthesia, you can't just wake somebody up. It takes hours upon hours for them to wake up, come to, and whenever they do come to, they're in a disarray. So therefore, if he would have had
well,
no
not
clue
if you
what I
just
was
titrate
saying,
the propofol, then you could have just woken him up pretty easily. Are you
But
saying that you didn't have a proper anesthesiologist there, titrating the appropriate amount of to keep him appropriately under.
I did. It took 20 of cocaine to knock him out. Okay, because he's a very, very addictive. He takes a lot of drugs. This man does.
Oh. Can you explain the fork
The fork
was found inside his body cavity?
Right here. Right here. Butcher. Here. Right here.
What?
Right.
Can you describe the fork? What type fork was it?
I don't know. You ever ate salad? It's like that. Right here.
It was.
The only forks I own are honing forks, so I don't own his chopsticks.
Does he like skirt around the questions or what?
He is. We have a photo of you at Big Russ's salad barn. Salad with a fork.
What the heck is going on back there?
I don't know, but we lost the judge too.
I don't know.
What's going on?
There's some sort of brawl. There is something wild going on out there. I still have the photo of you at Big Russ's salad barn.
I think it's just gonna be us left here.
You were in the jury box? One, right? Yeah.
Yes, you did. Can you hear
Thank
me?
you. Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, good. Yeah, that was a good case. Very
Thank
funny
you.
as hell, though. You know,
They were getting
when
boring
you
for a while.
when you said he